the human tongue bass. Pow. In this video, we're gonna cover all of these topics so that you can become the best beatboxer you can be. Let's go! Easy beatbox. So why you want to learn this sound is because it sounds epic on the microphone. You can do Transformers sound effects,
Transformers roll out,
a machine gun sound, and a multi hi-hat. It really grounds your beat, and most people find it easy to do. How you control this sound is with your tongue and your jaw. Step 1 is to just roll your R's, and now use your breath without using your voice. You got it! Okay, but what if you didn't get it? Don't worry, if you could roll it or if you can't roll it, we're gonna go through steps to solve that problem and to get it sounding even better. Now, position your tongue like when you're gonna say the letter D. The tongue goes up to the roof of your mouth. Next, what you want to do is to make the tip of your tongue loose and the base of your tongue really firm while exhaling air out so that only the tip of your tongue gets to vibrate and oscillate. So now let's try to exhale, but you try starting with a D or a head sound. So you can try using your voice to say it out as well. Or her. What your tongue looks like is So how you can understand this sound is to take the sides of your tongue and glue it to the roof of your mouth so that you seal off the base. This means that if the air wants to flow out, it can only be through the tip of your tongue. But if the tip of your tongue is loose, the air is gonna go like this. So you block off the air first, you blow it out, and then because it's loose, it's gonna come right back up. And it just repeats, and you make the sound. Okay? Keep trying that. Just play around, glue the base of your tongue, and let the tip be loose. Think of that. Another way to get your tongue rolling is to say T or D, but pressure it super hard at the tip right behind your front teeth. So you're kind of like putting your tongue in a T position, but pushing really hard with your breath and tongue. Push your tongue really hard against your teeth so that the air has no choice but to go out as it vibrates up and down. And then from there, you can gradually try to let it become a bit looser so it'll vibrate even more. This sound can be really hard for some people, but really easy for some people. So I would recommend that you just keep practicing and playing around. Maybe you'll find a new sound as you go. Or you can try to learn the lip bass if you can't get the tongue bass. Now for pro tips. Pro tip number 1 is that the tip of your tongue determines the texture of the sound. So if the tip of your tongue is against your front teeth, you're gonna get a multi hi-hat or machine gun sound. So you kind of want it to be a lighter sound because it's a hi-hat sound. But if you're going for a machine gun sound, you just put lots and lots of pressure. And the tip for getting the machine gun sound is to clench your teeth. But if you pull your tongue further back to the middle of the roof of your mouth, it will make a deeper sound. Something like this. And if I go to an O sound, you can control the pitch a little bit more. But if you keep your tongue flat under your front teeth, you make a lighter bass sound. And if you want to make that Transformer sound, try breathing out with a ho ho ha ha he. And make sure that the back of your tongue is in a K position. So you have that overtone of that squeezy sound. You get that? So breathe out, ho ho ha ha he. Roll your tongue and put the pressure at the back of your throat. If you don't put that pressure, it's gonna sound like put the pressure. Now for practice exercises. Try a simple beat like make the beat longer. And try it with the multi hi-hat technique. If you couldn't get this sound, or if you did, try learning the throat bass or the chest bass to get a different kind of bass. See you in the next one.